In today's video, we are going to walk you through the process of troubleshooting your ProBEAST air horn if it has stopped working. The first thing you want to do is carefully inspect all the wires coming from your bike to the horn. Verify everything is still properly connected per the installation instructions, and none of the wires have been cut, frayed, or pinched. Verify the wire with the inline fuse is connected to the positive side of your battery. It may be easier to access the wires by removing the mounting nut and the horn from the bike. Next, you will need to verify the horn is receiving power from the bike. You can check the power to the horn using any standard multimeter or a circuit tester. Locate the plug attached to the relay on the back side of the horn. Here are the pin numbers on the relay that we will be checking in this video. Attach the ground end of your circuit tester to the negative side of your battery. Probe pin 30 on the relay through the back of the plug. This is the wire with the inline fuse connected directly to the positive side of your battery. Your circuit tester should illuminate if you have power. If you are using a multimeter, then you should see 12 volts on pin 30. If you do not have any power to pin 30, then you could have a blown fuse. Remove the inline fuse from the protective rubber boot and verify the fuse is still intact. You can also check the fuse with a multimeter set to the buzzer position. If your fuse is blown, you can replace it with any 25 amp mini blade fuse. Next, you will need to verify the horn is receiving power from the bike when pressing the horn button on your handlebars. With the ground end of your circuit tester still connected to your battery, probe pin 85 on the relay. This is the red wire coming from the back of the horn plug to your bike. Press the horn button on your handlebars and the circuit tester should illuminate. If using a multimeter, you should see 12 volts. Finally, you will need to verify the relay is working correctly and sending power to the horn. With the ground end of your circuit tester still connected to your battery, probe pin 87 on the relay. This is the red wire coming from the back of the plug wired directly to the horn. Press the horn button on your handlebars and the circuit tester should illuminate. If using a multimeter, you should see 12 volts. If you are not receiving any power to pin 87 when pressing the horn button, and you have verified pins 85 and 30 have power, then you could have a bad ground connection or your relay is bad. First, confirm the ground wire coming from pin 86 is still connected to your bike. Using a multimeter, verify you have continuity from pin 86 to the negative side of your battery. If you have confirmed that you have a good ground connection, yet you are still not seeing any power to pin 87 when pressing the horn button, then you could have a bad relay. Please contact Custom Dynamics for a replacement relay. That concludes today's video. If you have followed the steps covered in this video and your ProBEAST air horn is still not working correctly, please contact Custom Dynamics for further assistance.